This is Atlas. Atlas is an AI-powered trading strategy management platform. As you can see on the homepage, there are several strategies created from research papers, and these strategies they could be tested, improved, and augmented and shared with people as well, as long as your LLM provider such as Claude or GPT has the MCP support. Here, you can see that some of this paper it is actually published real white papers, and we can extract certain trading strategies from them. For example, gap continuation short, or fin saber regime trend long, or the better ones like bounce fade long, sign persistence momentum long, and so on and so forth. And below, there are even more papers that hasn't been explored yet. But these are all researchable by any users who are connected to our platform. This is the more interesting page. This is where the list of strategies appear for each user. If it's from RCIF, it means that this strategy came from white papers. If it's from chat, it means that this strategy came from a discussion with the AI, be it ChatGPT or Claude. And you can see that there are some winners and there are some losers here. And some of it is just V1, means that it's only from creation, and some that has multiple iterations like V9. Let's take a look at this one, for example. A strategy basically says that what is the session, like when do you trade it, what is the signal to enter a trade, what is your entry point, what is your stop loss, what is your target, and what is your exit point. Now, usually these are information that will overwhelm a beginner when it comes to trading. So from our side, we make it such that it has explanations here, and you can actually let AI be the person that improves it over time. So we have things like this back test, like let's say this is really bad. We lost like $1,000 here, right? We can see that yes, there are some winning trade. So for example, we're doing shorting. So this is where we enter. We enter at 49247 and we exited at 49231. So it's a profit. But on the other hand, most of it, as you can see here, we enter at here, right? 49006, but the price went up. It went to 49086, which is the opposite of what we're trying to do. So it's a loss. And we can see that for this one, it's probably a mix of both, but generally there are 57.3 win rate, but we are losing a lot. It means that our loss are very big. But the good thing is that as time progresses, right, we can improve the trading strategy. For example, in the trading world, there's a certain saying that, oh, when you trade is just as important as how you trade. So we can alter the timing. And we can see what else is being changed, like the entry point. If 3 point is too much, okay, let's lower it to 2.25. And eventually, let's say at version 8, now we still alter the time to be more tighter. And lastly, when it comes to version 9, we can see that, okay, the changes are not really from here, but we added some indicators. We use the EMA 50 slope as an additional trend filter, and there you go. We got a better trade here. And it's not just one single trade. It's cumulative, and most of the trade become positive. And that is how we land on a winning trading strategy. How does this improvement work then? Let me show an example. So let's say we have this Charela mean revert shot to my Claude and say that, hey, can you use the Atlas MCP and help me improve this strategy? Okay, and then we just let it run. So in the meantime, what you can see is that let's say in our customize, in the connectors, we have this Atlas, right? So this MCP has things like get the backtest result, list the proposal of strategies, list the backtest that is being done, list the strategies, which is a list of what you saw just now, create the strategy, fetch the paper from RCIF, promote the strategy version from version 9 to version 10 and 11, 12, 13. Run the backtest, ensure that the version has a good performance. So these are the tools that we equip the AI to have. We provide them the proper information and context, the knowledge from the paper, the data from the stock market, and also the strategies that we have created in the past. If they were to improve, right, the AI will also mention what changed from previously. So it's traceable for humans to follow along. So here you can see that the AI Claude is doing the thinking, and also I am inputting my thoughts to discuss with Claude to create a better strategy. We're still trying to improve everything. And here it's very interesting. At version 3, we have 50% win rate. Version 6, we have 55% win rate, but a negative profit and loss. So maybe what I'll say is that the profit and loss is not looking good. Can we improve the profit and loss some way? Perhaps alter the take profit and stop loss value. Okay, so this is pretty much done. Let's take a look from this side. You'll see that the Sharila mean, you'll see that V4 is here, V6, it unfortunately became negative, but V7, look at that. This is actually quite good. How many trades are there? Among 20 trades, we are winning a lot of it. Now this is something good, right? Because we have improved our win rate and we have made better like profit. So this is what we're actually after. Wow, this actually exceeded my expectations. This just became my number one strategy today. That's good. Yay.